Welcome back, Filmholics. My name's Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. Now, before we get started, if you guys could go ahead and click on the, well, not click, but follow these links, subscribe, and go ahead and help me with the goal to get to 500 sooner than it took me to get 100 in a year. So let's go ahead and get started though with today's video, which is about my favorite 3 accessories for this thing that's inside the pouch. I probably should have taken out of the pouch, but this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. That's a foldable gimbal. So for one of my favorite pieces of gear I bought within this year, but that's not why you're here. I already reviewed this. If you guys want to check that out, there's going to be a video right up in here. But today I'm going to show you my favorite accessories, 3 of them, for this baby. So first up is going to be the Ulanzi L mic stand that goes right underneath the handle. So let me just go ahead and screw this baby on. It's a bit difficult to do on screen, so I'm gonna just do this because leverage. You just screw it right on the bottom, and now you have a secondary handle that goes right with the gimbal. If I unfold it, it looks like this. And this kind of comes with a bundle, and I'll talk about the second item as the next item on this list actually. But the reason why this is very helpful is to add stability. Now you have 2 hands to be able to grip the gimbal, and you get to have more stability due to if you're ever in a rocky situation, or if you're in just any situation that you want more stability, or if you just want more stability naturally. This also helps a lot due to the fact that it has the hot shoe mount, which means you can add a microphone. So if you're vlogging like this and you have the mic right here, you can have it pointed right at you, which helps a lot, honestly. And then you also have another secondary one, so if you need a light or anything like that, just go ahead and put it right there. I personally only use the mic part for this, but it keeps everything stable. So from testing lately, I've been able to get better photos, better video work done with this added to it. Second up is going to be this thing. It comes with this if you get the bundle, which in pricing together it is $15.95, which is a really good price for a miniature tripod that you can put right underneath the gimbal, because underneath it also has a thread. So now you have this, and if you want to put your hand down here instead for lower angles, for going higher up, now you have more leverage in a way, because the center of balance is now going to be here. And it also allows you to balance your phone a lot better, especially with the moment lenses. This gimbal can hold the moment lenses with the moment case on my Pixel 3 XL. So with that being said, balancing it might be a little bit hard with like the anamorphic lens or the wide angle lens, which is the highest weighted lenses that they have. So to balance it before you turn this on, it's just a lot easier to put this on a table, put it somewhere flat, and just balance it there. I've used so many things. I've actually recently used a pumpkin. Not the best thing to do, but it worked. But this allows you to do a lot more versatile things. You can have this staying on the table and track your face while you're vlogging with the mic right here. So it allows you to vlog, it allows you to do a lot of cinematic work. So it's just a very versatile tool. These two together again make $15.95. So really good buy, really cheap. They are plastic. Oh well, the tripod legs are plastic, so be careful with them. Metal probably might be better, but they seem like a very dense plastic. Like I'm putting in all my force right now to break it. Well, all the force I have with my hand, but it won't break. Now the metal parts are gonna be in the arm. There are some rubberized areas for comfort, but you get what you pay for. Actually, you get more than what you pay for, but technically, yeah. Now, lastly, the last thing I want to show that's one of my favorite accessories for this gimbal is going to be a very cheap monopod. Now, I got this one within a bundle with my camera that you see right now, but you can get them for fairly cheap. Like I've seen them lower than $20. So if you're just trying to get something that does the job right now instead of buying, ooh, that fell. If you're just trying to buy something right now that can just serve as a monopod, now you have a very extended gimbal. Having a very extended gimbal arm allows for, again, more stability, so there's that. So if you need these two and you need to go down low, you need to go up, you can go a lot higher and do like kind kind of drone-ish looking shots with your phone alone. Another cool thing that you could do is once this is fully extended, just place it on the ground and now you basically have a tripod. And once you do that, you can turn on the DJI tracking mode where you just drag like a little box on whatever you're tracking. And once you let go of it, it will track and center that object. So if you're doing some action filmmaking, it allows you to do a lot more object tracking, which is what I enjoyed, what I recently found out that you could do. I kind of just experimented with this thing and that's what happened. That's basically what you get out of this. It allows for a lot more stable action tracking, I guess is what I would suggest most with the Monopod system. But that's all three of my favorite accessories so far that I have with the DJI Mobile Osmo Mini. But that's it. Sorry about this short review, by the way. Now that we're finished with the main video, sorry again. I just came from vacation because I went back to see family and friends when I went to California, so I just came back. So this is why this could be a very short video with probably no B-roll. That's all on me. I probably should have filmed more and prepared more for this, but I wanted to really focus on my friends, so I couldn't bring a lot of gear. I just wanted to just have my own time. Just I guess a break from life in general. So that was really fun though. I had the blast. I will miss them forever. That being said, I am actually also super happy to be back because during that time I got 10 subscribers without doing much work filming wise. And the coolest part about it is that means I am 40 subscribers before my next halfway to my next goal. That's very complicated to say, but yeah. So if you guys could like and subscribe, that would be so helpful to get me to that 500 goal, almost to the 1,000, because that is the ultimate goal to get monetized on this whole new way of platform and algorithm wise. But that being said, we're done with the main part of the video. If you guys have any things that you want me to review or give tips on, please comment down below and I'll do those videos as soon as I can. Next video is going to be the thoughts on video where I give my thoughts to a certain piece of gear. That's a small hint. Not a piece of gear, it's more of an actual gear. But there you go. That's going to be a small hint for now. And if you guys enjoyed anything in this whole video on how I made it or any of the gear that I mentioned, that's all gonna be linked down below. So if you guys want to check those out, check the prices, or get some of those gear, please use those links. It helps out the channel at no extra cost to you guys from when you buy the thing. It just helps us out over here. And of course, dream big.